All right, welcome to part 2 of replacing the battery in our beautiful Freewrite. I've already taken it apart, as you can see. If you want to see how I did that, go and look and search for part 1 on my channel. I ordered a battery from AliExpress. I will leave a comment in my down below in my video. Okay, I've done this a few months ago, taking it apart, so no idea. Let's see how far I get to putting it back together. Maybe I have to watch my own video to put it back together. Okay, I have been told this is a soldering iron. Never touched one, never used one. So no idea how far I get, but let's try it. It doesn't work, so I can't ruin it, can I? Here we go. Put that away, we don't need that. Turn this around. And here, I just ignore this for now. I have no clue how that, oh, there's holes here, so that goes there. Okay, I forgot where it went, but maybe on my video it will tell me. Okay, so as you can see, I hope the light is okay. This is the best I can do for now. But these wires from, I think this is called a motherboard, are soldered onto this little strip. And these strips are connected to the battery. Right. Now, let's see how this battery looks like, shall we? As you can see, I haven't even opened it. Okay. This energy battery. Okay. What's in there? Okay, it's just a code to find their website. So maybe that is handy actually. Maybe you can scan the code and find the battery on their website. Right. As you can see, I was unable to find a battery with exactly the same. That's as simple as that. I keep it still in case you can read the battery information of the original. This is the battery information of the replacement battery. And as you can see, they are not exactly the same size. I was unable to find exactly the same size. The replacement battery is a bit wider and slightly a bit, no, the length looks similar, if not the same. But the replacement battery is a little bit wider. And I think the battery was sitting in here. And if I can do this, everybody else can. I'm pretty sure I can make it work like that. And just doesn't fit totally without me pushing really hard. So to begin with, let's first see if I can actually do this and if it will work without the yellow one. Because surely the yellow one has a function too. Isn't it? Doesn't it? Right. Right. It's totally different. I'm not sure. I'm not meant to take this plastic off, am I? Or am I? This one doesn't have it, so let's take it off. Oops. Okay. So far, so good. If I ruin it, it's not a problem. These batteries, I believe it was only a few pounds. And don't get me wrong, I don't like wasting money. But I mean, it's not hundreds of pounds. That's the point I tried to make. All right. Right, so this needs to come off. No. It's obviously I'm absolute. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just learning as I go along, as I do with everything in my life. I always think if somebody else can do it, I can do it too. And yes, I learned from failing. And that I don't mind. I like a challenge. Okay, so this has a strip, just like that one. And, right. I think I'm going to disconnect here, take these off, and then put all three back on here, because there are, I don't know if you can see it, there are 3 connection points. Am I going to blow the battery up though? Is that possible? Can you blow it up? Yes, I've seen batteries explode. So I can answer my own question. And for those who are shouting at the screen, trying to tell me that I do something dangerous or wrong, I can't hear you. Okay, I'm a bit battling with getting this last yellow off. Sorry. And yeah, I think I have a little bit OCD. Self-diagnosed. I'm a little bit, I would like things to be as good as I can do it. But I'm not, I don't mind cutting corners either. So I'm just joking. I don't make fun of people who have OCD, actually. So I apologize if it sounds like that. Okay, I'm getting somewhere now. Okay. So the first thing that I need to do now is be brave. I'm wondering actually if I can just take this off here. Can you see it? And leave this strip on. And then just, is it soldered? Solder those two onto this strip. What do you guys think? Guys and boys, of course. We girls can do just as well as our male, lovely male people. Yeah, I think I'm going to, this is all metal, isn't it? As long as it connects. What if I take this? Oh, hello, I broke it already. There we go. So that really broke very easily. So how about this one? I'm now trying to break this one. I don't have a tool. Yeah, I should have a little toolbox, shouldn't I? And hubby is upstairs in the gym. Don't know if you can hear it in the background, the sound. I need to find scissors. I'll get back to you. Okay. So it turned out I didn't put my microphone on. Right, okay. As you can see, this is part 2 of replacing the batteries. This are the batteries. This is original. This is the one I got. You can see it in front of, before this clip, because I showed you the names and etc, etc. Anyway, let's continue. I am going to cut this. There. Right, goodbye battery. Now I'm going to cut this off and put this back on here, hopefully. That's my plan. Is there any reason why I shouldn't do that? Still not sure. Like, it's like so, that one. That is a little one. That is a little one. Two bigger ones, two bigger ones. Red, yellow, black. Okay. Now I'm thinking just to remove the red, remove the black, and solder on the new red and the new black. No, that I should do here then, isn't it? Oh my, this is more complicated than I thought. I'd rather not take them off. They are on the motherboard. And there is a silicone type of substance over these wires here. Not solder, as I see it in other things. So that means I am going to keep this strip for now. And I am going to connect these strips to these strips. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Yep. There, took that off. I'm just gently pulling. And if I break it in the wrong place, then the battery becomes unusable. But then again, I just order another one again. There. Phew. Okay. So, as you can see, it's not totally the same width, but I think I can get away with it. Right. This was like this, right? Because is there a plus and a minus here? Ooh, messing it up now, aren't I? No, it was like this. Wasn't it? This one was here. That one was here. So I'm silent because I'm thinking. See, they are the other way around. So that would suggest that I have to do it this way. No. like that. Yeah, sorry, I have blunt moments so now and then, so it's like this. Yeah, so this should be like this then. Yeah, just go for it. Don't question yourself too much, then nothing happens. Can I make this reach? Try to see if there's a bit of give. I'm going to do it like that. You go a bit this way. A bit out. Let's just do it. Okay. Turn this around. Okay. Ow! Okay. There is charge in the battery, so if I touch those two like I did just now, I get a shock. Oh, so, well, at least I know it works, but how am I going to do that? Don't touch it. Ow! Oh my! This gives me a... So, is that good? Is that bad? At least it works. I should not touch it. Okay. So how do I solder it then without... Oh! Smoke. Maybe not. Okay, obviously I have just no idea what I'm doing. I've turned the battery around because I saw a bit of smoke coming from here. Should I continue? Did I already ruin it? Hubby has also no idea with electrics. That's why we have both curly hair. Right. Yeah. This became really hot and I saw a little smell of smoke as well. So, what does that mean? Well, did I turn the battery the wrong way? This way it doesn't. So does that mean it won't work this way? This way? I won't touch it again. It smokes and it is hot. Well, I'm going to do it the way that it doesn't feel hot and no smoke. Just for safety reasons. but that doesn't mean that it might probably not work. Because it got hot, so that means electric was coming through it. That's fine, but I was a bit apprehensive about the little spark and the smoke. Oh, I will be so sad if I mess it up and ruin it forever. I can always send it back to Astro House, isn't it? But that is a lot of money. But it's a brick as it is now. What to do? So this way nothing happens. This way. I'm a bit apprehensive because maybe I already did the damage. Of course nothing happens now. Let me think about it, and I will post this video anyway, and if you have any idea what to do, please let me know in the comments and then we take it from here. Sorry about that. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with part 3. Sorry.